In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a comparison table in Notion. If you want a simple way to compare several options side by side, Notion makes this very easy. A comparison table is useful when you're looking at products, tools, services, or even personal choices because it lets you organize the important details in one clean view. The fastest method is to use an inline table directly on your Notion page so everything stays visible and easy to edit. To get started, open a Notion page. This can be a brand new page or an existing one where you want the comparison to live. Once you're inside the page, click anywhere in the blank area so your cursor is active and ready for a new block. Next, type /table. This opens Notion's block menu and helps you quickly insert the kind of table you need. From the list of options, choose Table, Inline. This will place a table directly inside the page, which is perfect for quick comparisons because it keeps your content embedded right where you're working instead of creating a separate full-page database. After the table appears, add columns for the criteria you want to compare. Think of these columns as the categories that matter most for your decision. For example, you might want to compare things like price, ease of use, integrations, and support. These criteria should reflect the factors that are most important to you. So take a moment to make sure the headings are clear and specific. A simple example would look like this: one column for the feature or criteria name, and then additional columns for each option you're comparing, such as option A, option B, and option C. Under price, you might enter $signs to show relative cost. Under ease of use, you could write high, medium, or high. For integrations, you might use yes or no. And for support, you could enter ratings like good or excellent. This kind of layout makes it very easy to scan across each row and instantly see how the options compare. This is the quickest way to build a side-by-side comparison in Notion. As a small tip, keep your criteria short and consistent so the table stays readable. If your wording is too long, the table can start to feel cluttered. A clean, simple structure will make your comparison much more useful at a glance. And that's it. Once your inline table is in place and your columns are set up, you'll have a clear comparison table that's easy to update anytime you need it.